I'm sure you've heard the news, tech is changing fast. Staying ahead means picking the right coding language. So what should you learn next? Let's start with the heavy hitters. Python still wears the crown in 2025 thanks to AI, machine learning, and data science. If you want versatility and endless job options, Python is a no-brainer. JavaScript isn't going anywhere either. It powers almost every website and is still the top choice for web development. Learn frameworks like React or Node.js, and you're golden. But don't sleep on Java and C++. Big companies, think banks, cloud services, and even game studios, still rely on them for performance and security. Now let's talk about the rising stars. Go and Rust are blowing up in cloud computing and cybersecurity. Go is all about simplicity and speed. Rust is loved for its safety and performance. Both are catching recruiters' eyes, especially at top startups. And for the next big thing, TypeScript. It's basically JavaScript, but safer and smarter. Super popular for modern apps. Bottom line, pick a language that matches your passion and the field you want to enter. For even more details, check out the blog post linked below. Subscribe and tell us, what language are you learning in 2025?